Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Honda Ridgeline. First, ensure your vehicle is ready. The system requires specific conditions to activate. You'll need your key fob handy. We'll cover the simple steps to get your engine running before you even step inside, making those cold mornings or hot afternoons much more comfortable. Let's get started with the basics. Before attempting to remote start, it's crucial to prepare your Ridgeline. Make sure all doors are securely closed and the hood is latched. The transmission must be in park for the system to engage. Additionally, ensure the parking brake is set. These steps are essential for both safety and the successful operation of your remote start feature. Now let's get your Ridgeline started. First, press the lock button on your key fob once. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button for about 2 seconds. You should see the parking lights flash, and then the engine will start. This sequence ensures the system recognizes your command and safely initiates the engine. It's a quick and easy process once you get the hang of it. Once started, your Ridgeline's engine will run for 10 minutes. If you need more time, simply repeat the remote start sequence to extend it for another 10 minutes. Remember, the system will shut off if a door is opened before you enter. Also, for some fantastic deals, including the link for darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to check out the description below, along with other great offers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.